Good morning, students. Myself Renu Yadav, and today we will discuss Model Test Paper 2 of Science, Class 5. This test paper contains questions from lesson number 7 to 12. Fill in the blanks. Children, the first exercise is to fill in the blanks. Few sentences are given with blanks and you need to fill in the appropriate word. The first sentence is biodegradable waste should be disposed in dash bins. Children, first of all, let us see what are biodegradable waste. The waste that decomposes easily and mix with soil are called biodegradable waste. Example: plants and animal waste. Children, these kind of waste should be disposed in green bins. So, the answer of first question is green. Biodegradable waste should be disposed in green bins. Second, light travels in a dash line. Children, light from a source travel in a straight line, and this property of light to travel in a straight line is called rectilinear propagation of light. So the answer is straight. Light travels in a straight line. Question 3. On a dash eclipse, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Children, the answer is lunar. On a lunar eclipse, the shadow of the earth falls on the moon. Children, a lunar eclipse occurs when the earth comes between the sun and the moon. The earth's shadow falls on the moon, and people on the earth cannot see the moon. Question 4. And dash is a vehicle that gives warning sound. The answer is ambulance. An ambulance is a vehicle that gives warning sounds. Children, what are warning sounds? Some vehicles produce typical sounds that warn us to give way to them. Vehicles like ambulance, give typical warning sounds as it need to reach a particular place like a hospital at the earliest. Next is dash energy is present in food. The answer is chemical energy is present in food. Children, chemical energy is a form of energy which is present in food. Question 6. Dash is something that produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. The answer is sound. Sound is something that produces the sensation of hearing in our ears. Children, we hear different sounds produced by living beings and non-living things. We can recognize some sounds even without seeing the things. Second exercise is write true or false. Children, here few sentences are given and we need to state that the statement is correct or not. If the statement is correct, we need to write true, and if it is not correct, we need to write false. The first statement is noise is pleasing to the ears, and the answer is false. Children, noise is an unwanted sound that causes pain, and if we will rectify this sentence, then the correct statement will be music is pleasing to the ears and noise is very unpleasant. Second statement, sun is the ultimate source of energy. This statement is true. Sun is the ultimate source of energy. And what energy is? Energy is the capacity to do work. We have studied about different forms of energy. Third, energy cannot be converted from one form to another. This statement is false. Energy can be converted from one form to another. Children, just now I told you that energy is the capacity to do work, and we use different forms of energy like electrical energy, heat energy, solar energy, wind energy, hydro energy, chemical energy, geothermal energy, and all these forms of energy can be converted. For example, an electric bulb converts electrical energy to light energy, and electric iron converts electric energy to heat energy. So, energy can be changed from one form into another. Fourth, all food chains start with green plants. Yes, children, all the food chains starts with green plants. Food chains occur everywhere in nature, on land, and in water. Then, fifth, a dirty surrounding can spread diseases. This sentence is correct. A dirty surrounding can spread diseases, and those diseases are called communicable diseases. We should always keep our surroundings clean to prevent ourselves from communicable diseases. Not only personal hygiene, but community hygiene is also very important. Sixth, shadows are always black in color. Yes, children, this sentence is true. Shadows are always black in color. And opaque objects through which light cannot pass at all, these objects form clear and dark shadows. Next is, give one example of each. Children, here few terms are given and you need to give examples of these terms. First is primary consumers. Children, primary consumers are the organisms that eat the producers. They tend to be small in size and there are many of them. The primary consumers are herbivores. Example, goat. Second is non-renewable source of energy. Children, energy obtained from fossil fuels that take millions of years to be formed are called non-renewable source of energy. Example of non-renewable source of energy is coal. Third, class third lever. Children, class third lever is the lever in which the effort is located between fulcrum and load. In class third lever, the effort is located in between fulcrum and load. The example of class third lever is stapler. Fourth, scavenger. Animals that eat dead animals are called scavengers. Example of a scavenger is vulture. Next, non-biodegradable waste. Children, non-biodegradable waste is the waste that do not decompose easily and not get mixed with the soil. Example of non-biodegradable waste is plastic. Next is decomposer. Children, decomposers are the microorganisms that decompose organic matter. This increases soil fertility. Decomposers help to recycle nutrients in the environment. Example, fungi. Fourth question is, match the following. Children, here few terms are given which you have to match with the other terms. Okay? So, first is producers. Children, producers are green plants that prepare their own food. So, the answer of producer is green plants. Second is translucent objects. Children, objects through which light can pass partially are called translucent objects. And translucent objects form faint shadows. So, the answer of translucent object is butter paper. Third, mosquito. The answer of mosquito is dengue. Children, bite of an infected mosquito can cause dengue. The main cause of dengue is protozoa, and when protozoa is transferred by a mosquito who is infected, makes one sick with dengue. And if we will keep our surroundings clean, use mosquito repellents and spray insecticides, we can save ourselves from dengue. Next is transparent objects. Objects through which light can pass totally are called transparent objects, and transparent objects do not form shadow. The answer for transparent object here is glass. Next is consumers. Children, animals are called consumers because they cannot prepare their own food and depend on green plants directly or indirectly for food. Therefore, the answer for consumers is animal. Next is infected food. Children, infected food causes jaundice. If we eat infected food, then jaundice can make us sick, and Jaundice is caused by a bacteria, and after eating infected food or drinking infected water, one can suffer from jaundice. And if we drink clean water, eat clean food, and wash our hands before eating food, then we can prevent ourselves from jaundice. Next is define. Children, here you need to give the definition of hygiene. Hygiene is a set of practices that ensure of cleanliness and good health. Children, hygiene refers to conditions and practices that help to maintain good health and prevent the spread of diseases. Practices like trimming nails, washing hands before and after meals, taking bath, brushing twice a day, all these are the practices of hygiene and will keep us away from diseases. Next is answer the following. Children, here few questions are given and you need to give the answers of those questions. First question is, what are the 3 things essential for a shadow to be formed? Children, in this question, we need to name 3 things which are required for a shadow to be formed or for the formation of a shadow. Answer: the 3 things essential for a shadow to be formed are a source of light, an opaque object, a surface on which the shadow is formed. Children, see what a shadow is. A shadow is a dark region formed by an opaque or a translucent object when it blocks light. Therefore, the very first thing which is required is a source of light. Okay, then we need something that will block the path, that is, we need an object. Okay, so we need an opaque object or a translucent object, and then we need a surface on which the shadow will be formed. Next is distinguish between renewable and non-renewable sources of energy. Children, in this question, we need to explain the difference between renewable and non-renewable source of energy. Answer: renewable source of energy are the energy given by nature that are present in unlimited amount, and non-renewable sources of energy are the energy obtained from fossil fuels that take millions years to be formed. Children, renewable sources of energy are present in unlimited amount. Okay? And non-renewable sources, they are formed from fossil fuels and they take millions of years to be formed. These forms of fuels or these forms of energy are very difficult to replenish because they are taking millions of years to be formed, and they are called non-renewable sources of energy. The main difference in renewable and non-renewable source is that renewable source of energy is present in unlimited amount, but non-renewable sources of energy are not present in unlimited amount and they take lot of time to get formed. Children, with this I end up with the topic. Thank you.